Kumusta naman si Snowman? Nalagas na lahat. Nalipad na. Ang sombrero na andon. Ang init-init today guys. Look. Yan yung mga tambak ng snow ko. Pawala na sila. Dinidilig na nila sa mga grass ko. What do you think, Coffee? The snow are already melting. Yay! Malinis na. Anong nangyari? Yan, pang 6th day. Ngayon, so far, the sky is blue. And it's so beautiful. And look at that. Ang ganda, di ba guys? Yan, after 1 week of snow. Ito na. Ang sarap na ngayon pumunta sa park. Look at that. I love the blue sky. And of course, my coffee and creamer love that too. Because free na silang makalabas, makagala. Diba guys? Ayan. Nakahinga na yung mga halaman. Beautiful clouds. It's a beautiful Wednesday afternoon. So clear, so bright. Magsa-summer na naman soon. Ayan. Babalik na naman yung aking clematis na ang ganda kasi nito guys pag namulaklak. Super purple. Ayan, nakita na yung aking mga doon, something. Ayan, makapal pa rin dito banda. Diyan ko kasi tinambak yung mga nililinis ko dito. Ayan, masaya na yung mga laga ko. Check na sila. What did you see, Creamer? You wanna check on Dadad's marks? Ayun, pupuntahan niya si Dadad. Is it okay? You done checking? You done checking outside? What did you see? What did you see? You wanna check out there? Go get my hat. Okay guys, it's time to go for a ride. Let's go. snow. Ito na. Blue skies. And mag-hike na kami pataas. Come here guys. This way. Kapitulo. Kramer, wait! Pakawalan ko na kaya si Coffee. Go Kramer! Go Kramer! Ang cute! Go guys! Go! 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 Uy, si Kramer! Doon pa kami guys oh! Good job baby girl! Hey! Come on! Come on Coffee! Coffee, hurry up, Coffee. Oh my gosh, nasa taas na kami.
Mahulog si Bravo.
Hindi oh. This is a spectacular view. Ang ganda with that sun. So that's the downtown Boise. The capital. Oh my gosh. Ang ganda. Ito ita-thumbnail ko. Ang ganda. Wait baby! Ay, sabit na naman ito. Okay. So we're on top of that stairs. Look at that, Bravo! Okay, you can make it. Kramer did it, and Coffee. Tingnan mo sa kabila, oh, ang ganda. Here. So, ayan. Mayroong park doon sa kabila. Uy, may flag doon, oh. Tingnan mo yun. Yung flag.
Ano yung dam? Dam. Tapos na ng mga basura.
Dito?
Dito kung tumira dati.
Dump site? Is this a dump site? Tingnan mo. Oh my God. Nakakabusog ng mata. Sinong Bob? Uy! Paano? Doon sa may bato.
Extra lang po.
Ayan, ang ganda ng background, yung manang kilay.
Kramer, come back here. Kramer.
We're on top of the mountain. Ayan guys, so yung lolo, oh, nahirapan umakyat sa hagdan mo. May kasama siyang dog. Ayan, mga away na naman si Coffee. Come here, Coffee. Coffee, here. Here. Coffee, no. Ay, dito pa talaga pupunta si Lolo. This way, Coffee. Ang aso ko kasi, alam mo yun, nanunugod. So, sobrang lamig. Hey, Creamer, don't follow them. Creamer! Creamer! Sira ulong aso.
Creamer, come back here. Napaka-friendly naman.
Oo, lahat na lang ng dadaan, babatiin niya.
Can we be friends?
Hi guys, we're on top of the mountain. Anong tawag dito?
Na kami ni Bravo ah.
Road, ano to? Hill Road? And we gonna go down already from the stairs. Mag-unti-unti na kaming bumaba. Ang lamig guys, tingnan nyo yung snow doon. Ayun, sa tuktok. Ayan, bumalik na si Creamer. So, come on guys, let's start going down. Let's start going down. Ay, nagpabuhat si Papa Bravo. Creamer, come on. Go down now. Go down now. You know how? Yeah! Creamer, slowly, Creamer. Slowly. We don't want to break your bone. Yeah, baby, slowly. Slowly, baby. And that's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching Coffee and Creamer again. Huwag po kayong magsasawa and see you around.